Hello, this is Darren Martineau from Team Freedom. And in this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to do video marketing more efficiently. And this is a really incredible AI tool called Opus Clips. All you have to do is put in one video. And usually if the video is longer, like this is about an 8-minute video, you put it in here and with one click, you can get like a dozen clips to use for short reels. So this is a very powerful AI tool that I've been using, and it's a way to really multiply your marketing efforts very quickly. So click on the link and put in your name and email, and you will see free training at Team Freedom, and we're going to show you how to make money online. We're going to show you how to do all kinds of incredible marketing just like this, and it's free, so you can join free right now, and we will show you some of the best affiliate programs and the best marketing tools and the best AI tools just like this one. So we will see you on the inside. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much.